All right, guys, so let's talk about what you can expect during the first week after your total knee replacement. And specifically, most of my patients want to know, when does it get better? So usually the first day you're discharged. Many patients are discharged to home. Nowadays, it's an outpatient procedure. When you get home, you usually have a lot of the anesthesia still kind of in your system. They put medication into the area so that you don't get that major pain response in the first 12 to 24 hours. I can tell you that many of my patients will tell me that day 3 is usually the worst part. The initial pain management did its job in the first 24 to 48 hours. Now you're moving into day 3, the swelling is kicking in, the stiffness is kicking in, the lack of sleep. You know, one of the biggest challenges after a knee replacement is finding a comfortable position to get any kind of sleep. Many of my patients tell me they're just taking little cat naps all day long and they're not really getting that solid block of restorative sleep. Day 3 is usually the toughest. Then it starts to improve. By day 5, they're feeling better than they did. By day 7, they're moving around. A lot of patients are off the walker. Some patients go to a cane. Some patients go to no assistive device. So I can tell you that during the first 7 days after your surgery, based on what patients have told me, because I've never had a knee replacement, day 1, day 2, not terrible. Day 3 is the toughest. Day 5, you kind of start to feel better again. Day 7, you're ready to hit the ground running, pun intended.